Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Chetan Satish back again with another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. And today we have a log on a car, and you can also call this as a super log because we have a modified Honda Civic, which only one of this kind is there in Karnataka. So I'll explain everything in detail and show you guys in the video. But before that, do show some love in forms of like, shares and comments, and please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. So now without wasting much time, let's start.
Always be my night sky.
So here we are, and first let's see my most favorite part of the car, and that is the front part, where we get a zoom body kit which is imported from Taiwan, as well as attractive and effective LED projectile angel lights, and we can also see LED strips in the lower part, and we also have the red colored Honda symbol, which looks really better when compared to all other colored Honda symbols. And we also have the typical red and black police lights over there. And with all these things at the front, and also speaking of the car as whole, this draws a lot of attention when in public, and it's no lesser than any other supercar in terms of looks on our Indian roads. And apart from that, we have this huge 18-inch mag wheels in the car, and you guys can also see the side body kits. And guys, we can't see the real size of these wheels, but trust me, to see it directly, they are really huge and big and give a badass look to the car. And this is the left side view of this beauty. And here we are to the rear part of the car, which is as sexy as hell, where we get those attractive tail lights and the red colored Honda symbol. And most importantly, the lower part of the car, man, we get a 4x4 exhaust system. I mean the 4:4 exhaust system here, and I'm gonna show the exhaust note at the end of the video, and also that diffuser, which we looks like a supercar's rear body part. And guys, there is only one kind of Civic, I mean modified like this in this color in Karnataka state, and this car is really cool in terms of everything, guys. Let it be looks or performance or interior, everything is almost perfect in this car. And that's why this generation Honda Civic has a separate and a huge fan base all over the world. And guys, I'm not speaking about the specifications of the car, but I'm just speaking about the modifications, because this video is about just modification of this car. So straight away, let's move to the interior. So the doors open decently, and the door pockets are also good enough, and the seats are pretty low, so the under thigh support is kinda less, but we get good knee room as well as leg room. So to speak as a whole, the whole interior is really cool and also comfortable as well, and also gives us a taste of luxury, and we have pretty good space for everything which we need to have in a sedan. And that thing over there is my most favorite thing, that is the instrument cluster, that is the digital speedometer, which looks really good. And we also get a temperature meter at the left and a fuel meter at the right, and we also get a tachometer over there, and also many other things. And now let's see the kick-ass sound system in this car, and then let's move to the exhaust system.
Start amma.
So that's it, guys. Hope you like the video. If yes, do show some love in forms of likes, shares, and comments. And please subscribe to my channel and keep supporting. Until the next time, see you all. Bye bye. Take care.